It looks like they've kicked out back to school. Let's go! Alright, you already seen all that. Although, oh, that eyeball, the plush eyeball wreath is, I like it. It's disgusting. Oh yeah, got some costume stuff out. Yay! Come on, where's my big boys? Where's my big boys? There's a regular skeleton. No, where's my big boys? Where's my big boys? There you are. There you are. I wonder if someone stole it from me already. Oh, no. No, they don't have the bones. They don't have the bones. Ah! No, stop. Oh my God. Look at the Halloween decor. It's so realistic. Oh my God. Looks like real meat. More lighty stuff. Oh, what do you do? That looks cool. Ooh. That's kind of cool. Ooh. I always like that one. They're felt. Ooh, felt eyeballs. Okay, they got more to stock. Found them. Here's some more. These are skeletons. The orange things are skeletons. Ta-da! That's so cool. Should I find someone and force them to tell me where they're hiding the titans? No, you're not allowed to have more cute stuff over here. That is so cool. Definitely getting that. Oh, I have great use for that. Went to a different Walmart and we found one. I even asked, they said they only had one. How ridiculous is that? They had literally 2 hooks for 2. So I don't know if somebody else came by and like took it, but we got this one. This is why Walmarts are crazy. This is the 3rd one we've gone to looking for these. And they've got tons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is very cute. Yay, we finally got our happy couple.